We are in the heart of Nebraska on Union Pacific's Kearney Subdivision as the largest operating steam locomotive on Earth rolls through Gothenburg, heading east. To capture a nice train image, you need just 3 ingredients: location, lighting, and of course a train. We have 2 of the 3 just east of Willow Island. The signal just went hot on Main 3. Something is coming from the west. Weather can change rapidly, and this calm summer evening is about to get interesting. The storm that we thought had subsided was coming back with a vengeance that started with a light breeze from the south. As the headlight appears, something doesn't look quite right with the approaching train. 30,000 tons of coal are coming at us, and the slight breeze quickly turns into a gale. The engineer tries to warn the camera crew with his horn what's about to happen, but right now, there is nowhere to go. As the storm blows coal out of the gondolas, you can hear it hitting the rail, the ballast, and the camera. To protect his eyes, the camera operator kept one eye shut and the other glued to the camera's eyepiece. As luck would have it, this coal train is a double. Fortunately, the second half of the coal train wasn't as bad. We speculate that either the coal on the second section had been sprayed, or the wind had died down just enough to make a difference. While the camera operator tries to get coal out of his hair, ears, nose, shirt, pants, and travel mug, we pause for a moment to show you this serene image. Setting up at Kozad, the coal dust is washed away with a pounding rain from the south as UP 8388 takes a manifest west on Main 2. If you like this, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe to watch more videos. You can also purchase the Kearney Sub, Union Pacific's triple track main in its entirety on DVD, Blu-ray, and digital download by logging on to 7ideaproductions.com. There is a link in the description below. And as always, until next time, thanks for watching.